Have you ever said, "I've changed," and felt the distance grow in the people you love? Awakening can feel like coming home and losing home at the same time. When your awareness expands, your needs shift. What once felt normal starts to feel heavy, and the people who loved the old version of you may not recognize who you are becoming. You're not trying to leave them behind, but they may feel like you already did. Here's the truth most people miss. Awakening doesn't break relationships. Unspoken superiority does. Not the words you say, but the energy of, "I see more than you now." Even if you never mean it, that subtle distance is felt immediately. If you want to repair connection after awakening, start here. First, translate. Don't educate. Speak from your experience, not your understanding. Second, stay human. Share confusion, fear, and tenderness, not conclusions. Third, honor different timelines. Not everyone awakens the way you do or when you do. Love doesn't require sameness. Some relationships will grow with you, some will soften, and some may still fall away, even with love. Repair isn't about forcing closeness. It's about removing the walls you didn't know you built. Awakening isn't about being above others. It's about being present with them. If this resonated, like, subscribe, and share. This is Inner Echoes. Next episode is, if Christmas feels heavy this year, this one is for you.